Good morning, guys. I hope you guys are ready for part 2 of the benchmark assessment today. Today you'll be doing questions 24 through 41, which will finish out the entire assessment for yourself today. So I wanted to take a moment and just give you a chance to hear some of the vocabulary words that I thought might be a little bit more difficult to understand as you're reading through the text. The first passage that you're going to read today is called An Unending Epidemic. And this is a passage that talks about malaria, which, as you guys probably know, malaria is spread by mosquitoes. So in paragraph 4, it has a word, it says, since the parasite runs rampant in the bloodstream. Rampant means running without control, without any kind of leash of any kind. Like a dog that runs loose through the streets. They're running rampant. Okay. Paragraph 5, it says, like a surgeon's knife. The quote says, if people weren't poor, we wouldn't have malaria, said epidemiologist Don Roberts. Now, an epidemiologist is a person who studies epidemics. They're a person who studies diseases. So that's what an epidemiologist is. The paragraph continues. It starts talking about the Anopheles mosquito breeds. One of the later sentences says, in poorer areas of the world, drainage systems are usually substandard. Substandards means below the standard of living. They're lower than what they need to be. Towards the bottom it says most houses in these areas do not have air conditioners or screens, and some just consist of a thatched roof and a dirt floor. So thatch is like a straw roof that's kind of been woven together. Okay. All right, if you turn the page to the first set of questions, question number 24, answer choice D says, mosquitoes transmit malaria and are difficult to get rid of in impoverished areas. So impoverished just means in poverty, people who are very, very poor. If you then go on to the next passage, it is titled Worms, Your Unlikely Allies by Nathan Seppa. And this is talking about how parasitic worms are something that we can use to benefit us. The question that I thought you guys might need a little bit of help though with is on question number 31. It has a section of text written out for you. I think it's paragraph 9, 12, and 13. And the question says, how does the author's word choice impact the tone of the text? And so answer choice A says, by supporting a compassionate tone. Compassionate means loving, caring, kind. B, by supporting a conversational tone. So conversational is like you and me. We're having a very casual conversation. It feels like you say something and I say something. That's conversational. C, by creating a persuasive tone. I hope you know what that word means, but persuasive just means you're trying to convince someone of your side. And then D, by creating an uncertain tone. Uncertain meaning I don't really know what's going on. I feel a little insecure about this. Okay. After that, I didn't see any other questions or vocabulary words within questions and answer choices that I thought you would struggle with. So hopefully this video helps you with some of those words. You're welcome to play it before the test, during the test, pause it, whatever you need. But good luck in the second half of the assessment. I know you can do very well. Thanks, guys.